All right, finally got the camera set up. Holy. Hello, welcome back. We are back from the Ohio hunting trip, unsuccessfully unfortunately, but we will be back there. We got some new stand locations set up, and we'll be doing some rut there, so pretty excited to get back to that. For now, we're back on the duck grind. I'm here at the Sportsman Warehouse today. Shout out Sportsman's Warehouse, absolutely awesome store, has everything you need. Really smart people. They do a lot of hunting, fishing, outdoorsmen, outdoors crafts themselves, so great to ask them for a lot of tips. Wanted to give them a shout out because I go there like every other day. So I gotta grab some stuff for duck hunting real quick, box of shells, some stuff like that, and then we are popping out to a few duck hunting spots. Gonna scout out, see what we see. Hopefully we find a good group of birds, and Saturday morning's the opener, so we'll be out getting after them. All right, I'll check back in with you at the spots. If there's nothing at the spots, I'm not gonna check in, and we're gonna be winging it Saturday morning, but we'll see what happens. Let's go. Good morning. What up? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. I am pulling up to the spot right now. It's about 6 a.m. and shooting lights at 7, so I got plenty of time. I gotta build a new lucky duck I just got real quick. Pretty excited for that with the amount of teal that were in this spot the last time I hunted it. I'm feeling good about this one, I really am. Like I said, I got the lucky duck. Been having a lot of teal, nothing decoying, so got the lucky duck, and I know exactly where these teal are dropping into. Yeah, they should do it well. So we should get some good decoying shots today, get the gun broken in. Oh, I also got some bigger shells too. We'll run it back to my frustration real quick. Probably didn't make any video out of it because I didn't shoot anything, but now there's ducks everywhere. This is nuts. My gun is not ejecting. I had some problems with my gun ejecting 3-inch shells, and my only 3.5s are for 2s, which is, if you don't know, pretty damn big for teal. And I think it was making me miss some easy shots. So we'll see how that goes. I got some 3.5-inch 4s. I'm pretty excited though. They got a lot of BBs, and the 4s should break up pretty well for these quick teal. So outside of that, we got some woodies. That's about it. We're gonna paddle in and hopefully get it done this morning. Fine. Alright, I didn't have the camera on. We're about 20 minutes into shooting light. I got 2 tailies down, decoyed perfect. Doubled up. But I gotta go get the one. He's kind of winged a little bit, so home catch. Whoa, that would have been funny if I got that on film. Whoa, that's a stump. All right, here we go. And green wing. Boom. Come here, buddy. They're all shot up. How are you still alive? And greenie. I can't wait till it's goose season. Look at them honk daddies. Wow. That'd be pretty easy. You guys want in? There's some ducks up with them too. Anyway, look at that. Nice green wing. Finally we strike. Alright. Finally. It's been a long time since I got a duck on the ground. On Sundays, it's more like 4 months or something. But man, can't shoot for shit. Then I hit the old daily double, baby. The old daily double. Yes! Yes! Alright. Get some more. Teal limit. Come on. So guys, fortunately I didn't get those shots on film, but most people know this. If you don't have a lucky duck during teal season, or spinner, any type of real movement, they won't really decoy for you from what I've seen. Not around here, not in pressured public land areas. I haven't got a single duck to decoy really. Maybe one woody. And I throw these lucky duck, and I kid you not, they landed on top of the lucky duck. They were cupping right on it. They were trying to put down on the fucking pole. So if you're hunting teal, get a lucky duck. Do yourself a favor. They're like 60, 70 bucks, and you can't beat them. I mean, they bring teal right now. So other ducks, movement's great, but for teal, it's a must-have. Come on, group. Get in there. Yes! That was a shot. This is some thick shit though. There you are. Oh. Tealy wheelie. Yeah. Number 3 green wing on the day. Is that a drake? I think it is. Awesome. Now that was a shot. 3 for 3 today, baby. Stick this out. I think I can limit. Ducks everywhere. How sweet is that though? What a flip up for shooting. God. Walking through that shit is terrible. Worth it. Worth it though. Alright guys, quick update. It is 8:17. There's still some ducks moving. There's a ton of ducks down to my right in a hole. I may just get out of here and leave them. I've had a pretty damn good shoot today so far. I want to wait for a mallard. I want a mallard real bad. So, or any big duck really, but mallard would be preferable. So I think I'm going to wait it out till about 8:30 and then we'll get out of here. Alright guys, packing up. Holy shit. Look at all those ducks. Did I scare them? Hopefully not. That was a lot. Well, packing up. Headed out. Ducks everywhere back in there. That's my next spot. But awesome hunt. Getting some decoys. What a sweet place. Alright guys, on my way out, all packed up, got the yak in the back, got all the decoys, ducks gun all loaded up, and I gotta get to work. It's just about getting to 9, got a 20-minute drive home or so, and yeah, we're gonna do some work, go breast the ducks out, and celebrate tonight with some beer and some poppers. So, meet you there, do a little outro, show you what we're gonna make out of them, and yeah, hope you're having as good of a day as I am. Alright, welcome back. We went for that teal hunt yesterday morning. Today is Saturday, college game day Saturday. Big Ohio State game day, go Bucks. And we're sitting here, wanted to make this into some poppers, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that. First, I'll show you the teal. I never really ran through, what I ended up getting, but ended with 3 green wings. Breasting them out, got that all done here, so I'm just going to kind of show you what recipe I use and how I do it real quick, and go from there. Okay, so we got all our ingredients here. Here's our teal breast, and these are pre-marinated overnight in just Italian dressing. That works really good to take a lot of just the gamey flavor and anything like that. So if you got people who don't like the taste of duck, soak it in Italian dressing. And we got vegetable cream cheese. I like using veggie cream cheese, gives it some good flavor. The toothpicks here, a little game day beer action.
And most importantly, game day beer.
Yes. And some jalapenos, 2 jalapenos, some pre-cooked bacon. So set the oven to 400, bake your bacon for about 10 minutes. It's still gonna be light with some flop. You'll be able to wrap them, but it's going to be crisped up a little bit so you don't burn your duck. Then we got a pot. I'll hook this up here. Boom. Turn it to whatever, medium. And a little trick here. So one thing we're going to do is this pan hot anymore? Nope. We're going to take this pan and use this bacon grease to cook them in. Oh, boom. There we go. Got some of that bacon grease going in there. Yeah, we'll let that heat up while we assemble. Okay, so making one popper here. We're going to first. Now these are going to be bite-sized poppers. You could do it with the whole breast if you want to make the whole thing, but I'm just going to make them like kind of bite-sized. So we're going to take this here, get your tealy breast out. Now, take a knife, cut it in half. Each breast is going to make 2. There's our little piece of teal breast. I'm going to take our cream cheese here, grab a spoon, pull the cream cheese out, put a nice chunk of cream cheese right on top of that breast. Like so. Alright. Jalapeno piece. I like to cut them long way. Let's take the top off, the end off. Slice down the middle here. Boom. And we got these seeds. You can just grab these out with your hand like so. Just run it down the middle there. Boom. We're gonna just cut a piece Boom. Now it's got a nice little circular shape, and we can wrap it around like that. Get a nice little cap. Okay, so now we got our retried bacon over here. Got a little crispy again. I don't know if the oven's hot, but it is pliable this time. Make sure to do it quick after you bring it out of the oven. That's what I just learned. But alright, we got all those pre-wrapped. I'm going to wrap them in the bacon. I'll show you what it looks like, and then we're going to get them on the pan with the bacon grease in the bottom. Alright, so here we go. Slight misstep, but we're going to make do. Bacon wasn't very pliable, so we couldn't fully wrap them. We have our cooked pieces of bacon, and 2 on a lot of them. Look, boom. 2 pieces of bacon on that guy. I'm gonna bring it over here in this bacon grease. Gonna lay that duck down right on the side. Okay, so we're almost done here. I put a top on them to keep them cooking, but oh baby, look at that beauty. Ow! Alright, we're gonna keep the top on for a second longer. And we're going to pop them out. Alright, and there's our finished product. Turned out damn good, honestly. Focus in. There we go. Cream cheese, jalapeno, bacon, boom! Whew! Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you watching the video. I am going to get out tomorrow morning. This afternoon's all football and drinking beer and eating those poppers, but tomorrow morning I will be back out. We got a huge cold front pushing in, gonna be like 35, so let's go Bucks! Big completion, kind of tight game in here going on, but I'll be back out filming another video tomorrow, so hopefully you'll tune into the next one. I'll have another good shoot. We'll be making more food come next weekend, and yeah, that's it. Appreciate you watching.